grocery haul for weight loss, for vegan, transitional. Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to shop, and then in tomorrow's video we're gonna do a meal prepping with the foods that we bought from Trader Joe's. So this is gonna be great. 2019, I know a lot of us are on a healthier lifestyle. Some of you are trying veganism for the first time, or you want to be plant-based. Whatever it is, I've got you covered. I'm going to be showing you guys some simple and easy recipes that you can use, especially if you're transitioning. So before I get started though, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Hit the notification bell. That's how you're gonna get notified whenever I put up a video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you. For my old subscribers, also thank you for sticking with me. We have a lot of fun things coming up for the new year. Let's show you what I got. First of all, let me say this. Trader Joe's still has the Christmas bags, which is fine. They're still in the Christmas spirits, and they also probably want to use up some of these bags. 2019, New Year's, your resolution. Let me show you some of the things that I got. I have my Trader Joe's bag right there, and I'm just gonna pull stuff out of nowhere. Bam! What is this? Oh, this is kombucha, and this is Clear Mind. Now, I don't want to go into a big explanation of what kombucha is. I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff that I got. If you need to know exactly what kombucha is, or if there's an item that you see and they're like, Maxine, what is that? Just ask a question in the comment section and I will gladly answer for you. But for now, because this is just a grocery haul, I'm just pretty much gonna blow through everything, you know, not super fast, but we don't want the video to be too long, you know. So I got some kombucha. I also got the organic tricolor quinoa. With that, I have the whole wheat pasta, and this is the spaghetti. I got like 2 of those because my kids love it. We're gonna get some nice recipes with these. And I also have the organic carrot juice. I love this. If I don't have time to make my own carrot juice, I run to this. These are 12-grain mini snack crackers. My kids love them. I love them. My entire family love these. You don't even know that they're vegan. You don't even have to tell anyone that they're vegan. I am going to be making some cheese, some vegan cheese. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make those as well. So, zucchini. Yes, we're gonna be making some zoodles. So we're gonna have fun, some easy recipes. We're gonna do some plant-based. We're gonna do some vegan as well. Also got the zucchini spirals as well as the regular zucchinis. These are frozen zucchinis. Sometimes you just don't have time to make zucchini noodles. So here you go. Okay, even though I'm not using this as much, I do like to have a little powdered sugar at hand. Sometimes I want something a little sweet and I want to make some icing. Then this powdered sugar is also good for that as well. Guys, if you have a recipe that you want me to make for you, try something different, please leave it in the comment section and I will definitely do my best to make it for you. Brown rice melody. Now this was something I saw in Trader Joe's for the first time. It says matcha green tea unsweetened. Now I wasn't sure how it's gonna taste, so I bought one and then I'm gonna give it a try and I'll keep you guys posted on this. So don't forget to check us out on Instagram, because I'll probably post it on Instagram for you guys to check it out, and also at Maxinescorner on Facebook. I'm also gonna post it there as well. Almond vanilla unsweetened original as well. I always get both. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I also have peanut butter. Now I have a video showing you how to make your own peanut butter. I'm gonna say it's gonna be up here. Learning how to make your own peanut butter is simple and easy, but sometimes you just don't have the time to do it. But if you make it in advance, you'll be fine. I bought coconut cream. Now I want you guys to keep in mind that there is a difference between coconut cream and coconut milk. If you have questions about any of these items that I bought, please just leave me a comment. I'm just trying to rush through it so you guys could kind of see and get an idea of what I bought so you guys could be prepared when I do the meal prep and have all these items as well. And I bought the stirring paste ginger. Love this in my stir fries. Any kind of veggies, so delicious. And if you're making cauliflower fried rice, I also have a video showing you how to make cauliflower fried rice, so make sure you check that out as well. It's gonna be somewhere right here. That's why I go like this and I go like that. Zucchinis, carrots, organic green apples. My young daughter loved the green apples for some reason, even though, you know, they're very tart. But you know, this is great. You can have this with a little bit of Himalayan salt and it will fill that craving if you want something salty. So, and a little sour. I've had that before. It's so good. Give it a try. You may be a little surprised. A little salt with this. Delicious. Grapefruits. These are good in the morning. Cut it in half. Put a little maple syrup on it or sprinkle a little bit of sugar, some stevia, whatever you like, and you can have it. Yes, so yummy. Roasted teriyaki seaweed snacks. My older daughter loved these as well. So we also got sriracha flavored baked tofu. This is good. It's very spicy. I like it. And these are for my guys transitioning. I'm going to show you these wonderful recipes. We have the meatless sausage, the sprouted tofu, the tofuki sausage. Now this one is a little spicy, but it's great if you're making pasta, especially spaghetti pasta or any kind of pasta. It's really good in. So we're gonna show you guys some recipes. That's it, guys. That's all I bought in Trader Joe's, and this is the perfect grocery haul for weight loss, for vegan, transitional, whatever you're trying to do. This is going to be perfect for you. If you love this video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Healthy meals, great recipes. I enjoy you watching the videos and learning something from them. Please continue to support Maxine's Corner. And what, guys? Stay healthy.